Hey everybody, it's Brandon Vanderschot here, a damn good realtor from Brand Realty Group, and today I'm super excited because I'm out front of my brand new listing here at 1805 3rd Avenue West, and you're right, it is pouring out here, and that's because rain or shine, we bring you homes that make you feel fine. Jacob, let's show these people. Peekaboo, it's me again, and I know what you're thinking. Holy crow, Brandon, you really found something incredible here. I know, it's amazing for the starter, somebody downsizing looking for a more manageable property, or someone who just really wants that kitchen, because very rarely do I see fridges like that. But either way, if you want to check it out for yourself, give me a call at the number that's about to pop up, and thanks so much for joining us today.